Morena whānau. Day 26 of 25. So I finished the actual challenge yesterday, and I'm going to carry on. So, because basically I've got stuff that I need to talk about to get out, and I'm hoping that maybe some of you might find some gems in what I got to say, and it might help you out. So today's day 26. Thank you to my bro Justo and my sister Hayes for the challenge. I appreciated that. And it's really started something important that has helped me a lot. So yeah, like I say, I'm going to carry on. Today's not a good day, my whānau. It's a hard one for me today. Two years ago today, I found out that one of my most precious breathers in the whole wide world took his own life and ended a long battle that him and I had been trying to wage with each other together to help each other out. Today's dedicated to my bro Baz, a man known as Maunga, Cock, Black Ass. A man with so much talent that the best haka men in the country know who Baz is, because he was just as good as them, but a freaky little dude. How many dudes you know pop out on a matatini stage and do a backflip? Just one, just the bro. When I moved home to Gizzy in 2011, after standing on the side of the road looking for a truck, Baz was one of the first fellas to come and tauwhawhi me. Over the years, him and I had grown this big brother, little brother bond. 1993, I think, was the first time we met, 93, 94, somewhere around there, when Whangara was just a young group, like the first years of, we weren't having parties anymore. The nannies growled us, gave us some pew-pews and told us, if you're going to sing, put these on. Back then, Baz was a young fella, just sort of finishing school, not because he was old, not because he was old enough, but because school had enough of him. He used to come and hang out at Toi Haukura, and like I say, quickly became my little brother, my little black brother. We were quite a sight. I was the big fat white guy, he was the skinny little black guy, and we were really tight. When I moved to Auckland, he would come up and visit me every now and then. When I was doing my Whani Waititi mahi, when I got into the TV stuff, he would come up every now and then. When I moved to Rotorua, he'd come over there to see me every now and then. When I was visiting home, as I lived away, I only visited 2 people, and I got a lot of homies back home, to 3 blind rats. They all understood. I went home to see my grandparents. That was it. And if I was going to see anybody else, it was Baz. Me and Baz did a lot of stuff together that would be frowned upon by a lot of people. And rightfully so. Some of the stuff we did, we shouldn't have done. Some of the stuff we did led to some of the stuff that's happened to me and the bro over the years. One of my beautiful memories is he was staying at his sister's place just under Kairi Hill, and him and I had taken my computer, my recording gear, my guitar, keyboard over there, and we were having a tutu doing some recording, and I left it there over the weekend. I come back and he'd recorded 3 or 4 different songs. he did his own version of Never Leave Me Alone, and that was not just a song that the brother loved to sing, but that was the story of our man's life. I felt it when he sang that song. I said to him, my bro, can I sing your hooks? Can I do the first bit of the hooks, and then you can do the backing vocals part? And he's like, yeah. And he sang all the verses. And then there was a big gap in the middle for years. This was back in 2013. And I just sort of, when I'd moved away from Gizzy, left it doing whatever it was going to do. 2018, the bro passed away, and I looked at it again and I said, I'm determined to finish you. You got to be a tribute of me and Baz's story. I just couldn't do it. I was tutuing yesterday with my computer. Got a new computer to help with recording music and making videos and that sort of thing. And a reminder jumped up from the calendar. Tomorrow, Baz. And I was like, fuck. 2 years. And then all of a sudden, my pen just started chiki, and the paper flowed, and the rhymes came out. So for today, for day 26, I know I put the video up yesterday, but I wanted to explain this song a little bit more. That fella used to come and watch us practice kapahaka when we were at what's called Māori Club back then, Gizzy Boys. Between 88 and 92, I was at Gizzy Boys, Tūranga Wahine, Tūrangatāne original. He used to come sneak into the gym, he told me, and watch us practice. Then he became our little brother when we left school. Then he became one of the fellas who, between him and Paula Anderson, the choreography of Whangara Mai Tawhiti was top notch because of those two. He also became the fella that I was able to be the mischief me with without any judgment. There's a real mischief side to me, and a lot of people think that because of who my family is, who my dad is, who what I do as a job, that I'm not allowed to be that mischief fella. Where's my bro? He not only liked it, he bloody encouraged it. In fact, when I got on TV, I had all of those hookups, a healthier bank balanced man. Our mischief went to another level. I love you, Baz. Today's going to be a hard day because I've still got to do my mahi, and I've got to think about you all day, my black ass mate. I love you, my bro. So this song e te iwi is me and Baz. This is our story. I hope you enjoy it. Kia ora tātou.
Never leave me alone. 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 Tell me that temptation, ooh, it's very hard to resist. You tell me that you want me, lady. I try to hide my from the soul, I know how to do. Tell them that daddy's sorry. Let them know all about me. There's one more thing I really want you to do. Never leave me alone. 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 Never leave me alone.
THC, dropping rhymes with BAZ. Coupley breathers tied off for T. Sons of VO, G-Funk is E. Well Rider, WHT. Whakamaumahara, Palutahi. To the future Mona, that's where we'll be. Let's fuck up, bro, you know history. Remember the times when we used to chill at your sister's place by Kairi Hill. On my footy up in Norks, I remember still. Knives getting hot on the barbecue grill. If it was good with you, it was good with me. You love me on a different level, young OG. 2 years you're gone, I feel like I'm half my breathe. I miss you till I see ya, sing with me.
Never leave me alone. 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 Never leave me alone.
Never be left alone.